Let me tell you something most people don't say. Growth doesn't feel like winning at first. It feels like you're losing everything that made you comfortable. Because God is not just upgrading your life, He's upgrading you. And the version of you that prayed that prayer cannot carry the life that you've asked for. So things have to break, mindsets have to shift, and people have to fall away. Not because God is punishing you, but because He's preparing you. James 1 verses 2 to 3 says, "Consider it pure joy when you face trials, because the testing of your faith produces perseverance." And Galatians 6 verses 9 says, "Let us not grow weary in doing good, for at proper time we will reap the harvest if we do not give up." You're not falling apart. You are being rebuilt. So don't run from the process. Don't abandon what you prayed for. Stay in it. Because this, child of God, this is the answer that you've asked for.